Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where we will wipe code a game, and we'll create the game idea with ChatGPT and create the game itself with Gemini. So first of all we would like to start by writing to ChatGPT. Okay, so I want to create a game and I need you to give me script to give to Gemini to create it so I can wipe code. Yep, it's gonna give the idea right now. So clean structure, you're a senior game developer. So all we will do is just take this and copy and paste and put it to Google Gemini. Okay, let's copy it up, come over here to Google Gemini and let's go. Let's wait until it makes it. And guys, I forgot we have to use canvas. Okay, so guys, it created it. I used the canvas feature and it created all together. Let's preview in a simulation. Okay guys, we just aim and shoot. Okay guys, I would say this game isn't that bad. I would say it's good. It's really good. Yep guys, but it just leaves out sometimes. But like this, it's really good. It's like a shooting game. Yep, I died. That's why. It leaves it because I died. Guys, it's really a cool shooting game. We created only using AIs. And we can also move. Oh, guys, we can also move. Shift to sprint. Okay, so, oh yeah, we can move. We can move and stuff like that. And we can even, if we click shift, we're running faster and faster. Yep, and we can just shoot. So okay guys, this is all for creating this video game. See you in the next video game. Bye bye.